When you start working a small property, folks, and you make shooting lanes, use all your small openings, your little fields and everything. The animals are already used to those openings, and you don't want to do anything to open property up too fast to spook them off. So whenever you open property up, do it a little bit to a time, like I do back here. Dump a bunch of brush on the ground, leave it lay for a little while, then go in and pick it up. Dump some more on the ground. About 2.5 to 3 hours in already, just getting this brush picked up. A lot of work. Hell of a lot of work to get all that done. Alright, I'm tired. I'm going home. It's getting there, folks. 111 yards all the way to the back. That back tree line. 67 to the feeder. I have brush piles and poles set up everywhere where I don't want the hogs to come through. Over behind those poles and that far water trough, it's all brush piles. And where the sun's coming through beyond those poles is where the 115-yard shooting lane from the other blind is going to tie into this feeder. It's about 35 yards or 40 yards of woods to clear through there. It's getting there, y'all. One thing I need to do is get back on camp and to clear camp. Get some corn in here. We got water. Just get these hogs coming around. Thanks for watching, y'all. Fence line's over there, and if you go down left, that'll take you down to the back of the property and to the other shooting lane. There's our platform stand. Our platform feeder's over there behind the brush pile. And this is our 115-yard shooting lane. And if you look at the low spot between those oaks, and you see an oak tree way in the back, that's where our other feeder is. So this lane in another 40 yards will tie into that far feeder. And we'll have a 150-yard shooting lane, 2 feeders to watch.